Exciting day. We're live here in Las Vegas in my kitchen with Chef Matt. Matt is a globally known chef in the CBD and cannabis industry. So, Matt, what are we cooking today, brother?
We're gonna do some of your turkey tacos.
Today we're gonna run with some cabbage for the taco shells versus doing some fried crispy taco tortillas, right?
We got this pot nice and hot. Now tell them about this turkey you picked. What's this, 99% lean?
So this is gonna be 99% ground lean turkey. For a client that is really trying to lean out, I would highly recommend the 99% packed with protein, literally no saturated fat. Some of the best stuff you could get when it comes to treading down the extra weight, right?
And then we're just gonna add pico de gallo and some other festive stuff. Woo! We're gonna add the seasoning in here.
What kind of seasoning is that?
So this is garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of salt and pepper, and some chili flakes.
All the good stuff, okay.
All the good stuff. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this.
Tell us again what the adding the water does.
Just creating a little steam and creates a little juice. You could have added some of that Bragg's in there, you know, soy sauce, whatever, you know, you wanted to add at that point. You could have added some soy milk. You could go so many different ways.
Anything to add a little bit of flavor, right?
Add a little bit of flavor, and you know, and just creates a little bit of simmer and gives the seasoning something to hold on to. You don't really want to overcook it because it don't have a lot of fat in it, so they get real tough on you real fast.
Okay.
Just want to take some.
So me personally, I like to use Tapatio, sometimes Sriracha. I switch them up so I don't get bored. When it comes to a macro-based or a calorie deficit type of meal plan, hot sauces are okay? Let's load one of them with a little bit of Tapatio. Let's load this other one up with a little bit of Sriracha. There we go, cheers baby. Health is wealth. Hey, we gotta look at the camera with Here we go, health is wealth, baby. Let's get it. I can't even tell it's healthy. I mean, it's good. It's packed with flavor. The seasoning is on point. We got some veggies in there. We got some peppers in there. That's amazing, brother. Chef Matt, killed it. Once again, brother. Let's go, let's grow, and I'll see you guys on the next video.